So once that's dry, I'm going to go back in and take our oranges. You get different colors, different tones of the oranges. Zoom in here. And you can paint actual little leaves. Oops. So the shape would be, with my napkin, this way, fill it in. It might take time. I'm going to do some like darker color red ones. Or you can just kind of just tap it like this. Push down. Like that. You're pushing down. Push down like that. And it kind of creates the leaf. And just keep going back and forth with all the different colors of the yellows and oranges. So I've got some yellows in here. And obviously the deeper color towards the tree. See that? Just kind of pushing that around like it's little leaves. Darker towards the tree, lighter towards the bottom. Can even throw in some browns in there. See that? So it looks like the leaves are all falling on the ground. I'll put some sporadic ones out this way and more concentrated up by the trees. Just like this. It's just a fun little doodle kind of mini Monday today. Just to get back in the swing of things for me and have fun for you. Now you can go out here and add a little more leaves if you want on the trees. But the idea is that it's falling on the ground. And just by adding some deeper color, like some brown in here. With the orange. It's just really that simple. We're just kind of pushing the brush around. Some bright orange. And then we have some nice yellow orange. Tut, 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 tut. Oops. Sorry, I cut you out of there a little bit. Did you see that? Zoom back up. It's kind of a fun little thing to do. You can, put as many leaves on those trees or fallen leaves that you want. That works for you. Put some out here that are floating. So there you go. Now we're just going to lift up our tape and reveal our masterpieces. Oops. Aren't they cute? So they can be great as a little set, or they can be perfect on their own. Now I could have put more dark tree in here like I did in this one. I might go back in and add that, but you get the idea. So hope you guys enjoy this mini Monday badness. Ooh, spooky trees. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section. Please don't forget to hit the bell notification button to know my tutorials up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Take care, guys, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon.